Hello everybody, welcome back to another Delpical 15 video where I am officially back to doing gaming videos. Seems you guys didn't really like my Minecraft videos because that only got like 7 views or something. But I'm back to Roblox, so let's play this game. Wonder, I've played it before. I have 2 wins on it. It's pretty fun. But just a little warning, it does have, as you can see, some stuff in it. But I think you could read the title, so yeah, alright, single player. We have easy, normal, and cheater. I'm gonna go normal. Alright, let's see. Wow, bro, why didn't it load at first? Alright. Oh god, that's loud. Alright. I think I'm gonna put the volume down. Alright, oh god, put that ugly face away. There we go. Alright, this is gonna be light work. One live round, 2 blanks. Alright, those odds are bad. Alright, I knew that. Now the odds are 50-50, so there we go. I'm built different. Now he has 1 life, I have 2 lives. Oh yeah, I forgot to say the name of this game. Shotgun Roulette. Weird name. Very, very weird name, but it's fun. Wait, oh no. How many live rounds did I have? I think 3 live rounds and 2 blanks. I was looking away, oh gosh. Okay. The odds are in my favor. Now the odds are against my favor. Do a skip turn. It's too easy. Even though it forced me to do that, I don't know why that happened. See? I'm just that guy. Alright, now we're gonna make things a little more interesting. Alright. 2 items each. More round. Oh yeah. Right. Handcuffs. Apple. Handcuffs and an apple. Alright. 4 live rounds, 2 blanks. Right. So I insert the shells in an unknown order. Handcuffs skips the dealer's next turn, and apple gives 1 more life. I am going to skip his turn. Why, thank you for putting it on yourself. You're a big boy now. Alright. And that's how you do it. Now, I might be cooked. Very interesting. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay, amazing. And he's gonna shoot me. Get out, bro. Alright, that's nice. Thank you for shooting me. I really love that. You're a bad boy for doing this, you know. Bad boy. Alright, my turn. Alright, you have 3, I have 2. But I'm gonna eat my apple. Apple Day keeps that demonic guy away. Now, I'm gonna shoot you because you were mean to me. Wait, so he loses a life, then I lose his life, then he loses a life, then I lose. Alright, so wait. Oh, dang. I was about to have a strategy, but I guess that's not happening. Two live rounds, 2 blanks. Alright, now he has a saw. I don't really like that. So I'm gonna eat up. And we're gonna check which thing's in the chamber. Live. Alright, amazing. I don't like you, buddy. Alright, we got him. We got him. I honestly might have to make a sequel, or I'm just gonna make 2 videos and then connect them in my editing. Alright, he cheated. What a cheater, bad boy. Alright. Now, my turn. Alright, and then he's gonna make me lose a life, but that's fine, because, oh god, he's gonna make me lose 2 lives. Oh. Okay. Oh, no. Well, if he has 1 life, I have 4 lives, so. Oh god. Oh my gosh, sorry. 3 live rounds, 4 blanks. I'm gonna handcuff him. Alright. It's already been 7 minutes, so I'm probably gonna have to make 2 videos and then connect them together in my editing software. Okay. That's fine. Let's just oh, wow, what's my luck? Now me and you, my friend, are dancing at the life and death. There it is. Okay. Snip, snip. Four items each. More items before every load. Cola. Rex removes what's in there. Apple. Magnifying glass. Handcuffs. I'm gonna have to hurry this round up because I do not really want to edit this video. So I do not want to make 2 videos and edit them together. So yeah. Because my editing app is dookie. It only lets me record 15 minutes. Never said how many videos I can make. Let's see. I think I'm gonna handcuff him. I'm gonna check if the current glass is in the chamber. Blank. Alright. Ejected blank. Alright. Take this, Chuckle Nuts. Oh my god. I think this is about my time to do something very important. Oh, wait. Okay. Hopefully this doesn't have like a crappy editing. So I'm gonna make 2 videos and edit them together, which I did not want to do at first, but I guess I'm gonna have to do it. Alright? Spam in the comments. We did not see the edit in. Hooray! Hopefully you guys did not see the editing. Spam in the comments. Fire editing skills, Dill Pickle. Now, honestly, I'm just gonna get him. I'm just gonna attack this guy. There it is. Now, I'm honestly cooked. Alright, he's gonna... Wait, why would he eject? Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy, that's just cheating. And now he's gonna remove 2 lives by using that little friend over here, the saw. Very interesting. He's not using the saw. It's better than, him using the saw. Whatever. I have an oople. I'm also gonna shoople you. Alright. Please tell me. Oh no, I'm cooked. If I don't get an apple in the next, like, round, I'm gonna be down a life. Okay, so the saw removes 2 hearts instead of 1. Oh gosh. Wait. Okay, there it is. Please give me an apple. Oh, saw. Alright, I can make it even. Apple. Alright, I'm safe. Another saw. Another apple. Wow. Looks like I'm built different. 1 live round, 3 blanks. I like my odds. Oh no, but I can't let it be his turn. I'm gonna have to eat a lot of apples because it seems he has handcuffs, which will skip my turn. Amazing. I'm taking my odds. My odds are very slim, but I'm doing it anyway. What? That's crazy. Didn't think that would happen. Dealer has skipped turn, then I shoot him, and then he shoots me. Oh wait, never mind. Alright. Next round, give me some items. Give me some items. Alright, so let's see what I have. Handcuffs, I can skip his turn. I can remove the thing. More handcuffs. One last one. Alright, that's not the best. 2 live rounds, 1 blank. Alright. Oh, this is about to be light work. Thank you. Now, time to do this. Let's shoot him. Alright, that's the 1 blank. Now, let's saw it up and deal. Alright, now it's his turn to remove me from the gene pool. Now, if he gets me, we'll be dancing at the edge of life and death. Apparently. Okay, buddy. Okay. Very nice of you. I'm ready. Come at me, bro. Alright, that wasn't so nice. Okay. That was weird. More handcuffs, amazing. Apple. I really need that. And a magnifying glass. Okay. More apples. I got my apples and a house. 3 live rounds, 3 blanks. Oh, I like my odds. Now I'm gonna eat my apples though. Alright. Okay, he's never gonna get me. And I'm gonna handcuff him. So I cannot let him get his turn, because then he'll cook me with all his lives he has. Alright. Gonna deal him. Alright. Wait, what? Oh yeah, he got oofed. What is it? Give me them Benjamins. Give me them Benjamins. Yes. I have my Benjamins. It's too easy. Time shot, 5. Shots fired, 16. Apples consumed, 7. Colas drank, 1. Shells ejected, 16. Wait, how do I only drink 1 cola and eject 16 shells? Whatever, I'm rich. Alright. Well, I did it. I did it. Well, see you in the next video. Dill Pickle, out.